Happy Sunday, everyone. It's a little bit late today in the day. I've been having some technical issues at home, but I've hopefully fixed those. And today, now we're going to talk about Bitcoin and altcoins upcoming this week. It could be a pretty eventful week for economic data. And we're going to talk about what it is we're waiting for and what we could potentially see. So let's jump into it in this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, or follow me on X wherever you're watching this. And let's get into it here. So we can see Bitcoin is back up to 68K. We're having a little bit of a rebound today as of the last few hours. And so things are kind of turning around a little bit for Bitcoin. However, we could have a pretty volatile week. So let's jump over and take a look at that here. So we have a few dates in mind and some events that are happening. Bitcoin last week broke 69K, and then we saw it retrace because of geopolitical risks, with Iran and Israel, unrest in the Middle East and all that stuff. There's a ton of things going on also around regulation, around Tether. There's been a number of different things come out. However, but we're showing a little bit of a recovery today. Many economic developments and altcoin events in this week. So we're looking at Wednesday. So Wednesday, we're going to have a couple of events, one for Chainlink, one for Binance. Binance Dubai Blockchain Week. That could be potentially fairly big for the crypto market. I'm not saying the prices are going to go up drastically or anything like that. I'm just saying that it's a pretty good event. So, chances are there's going to be a lot of crypto promotions and such in that, right? We also have US GDP Q3 data. That is on Wednesday as well. And we have Coinbase, MicroStrategy, Microsoft, and Meta earnings reports on Wednesday as well. So Thursday, we are getting Bank of Japan. They're going to announce their interest rate decision, so that could be fairly pivotal. The EU's CPI yearly data, US core PCE annual and monthly on Thursday as well, and US initial jobless claims. So that's some information that the Federal Reserve is watching fairly closely in terms of what they're going to do next month, interest rate cut wise. Basically, how much are they going to go, or what are we going to expect? And this is the data that they're analyzing for that. So very pivotal. And then Friday we also have U.S. unemployment rate, and all that takes into account. The Fed takes that all into account when they decide they have their interest rate decision. So we are waiting for that in November, as well as the U.S. election. So there's a number of different things going on in the next couple of weeks, because today's only the 27th of October. We still have a couple more days left in our unfortunate October. I know it hasn't panned out the way we wanted it. However, we can't really, I don't know, we can't really fault it, right? Because there's macroeconomic data going, or macroeconomic things going on, geopolitical things going on, and wars and things like that. And we just kind of can't help the. It's not FUD because it's real world things going on, but it's just not lining up right now with what we want crypto and Bitcoin to do right now. So will that come? Most likely, but it's just a little bit delayed right now. I think we're going to probably see a little bit of this sideways action for the next little while, at least until after the election or around the election time in the US. So just be prepared for some volatility. Right now, we are up about 1.48% today. So like I said, Bitcoin having a little tiny bit of a comeback, but I'm not expecting this to go all-time high or anything right now. I think we're just going to kind of do this fluctuation, a little bit sideways kind of movement for the next little bit. But that's my expectations. Let me know what you guys think below. When do you think that Bitcoin is going to approach its all-time high again? I'd love to see it hit 70K and do that push. But we're probably not going to see that until everything's kind of settled down. Like I've mentioned, a lot of those factors are impacting Bitcoin's price action right now. That's what I got for you guys in this video. Thanks so much for tuning in. I just want to keep you updated on what's coming up this week because it is some pretty important stuff. So I'll keep tabs on it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.